Every day begins with light, but with electric blinds, you decide when morning starts. Smart, quiet, effortlessly elegant. Wake naturally with scheduled routines, or set the mood with a single touch. Your home, your rhythm, whether you're home or away. Every blind is made to measure, designed to fit your space perfectly, with simple, hassle-free installation that makes updating your home effortless. And rechargeable battery power means you won't need an electrician to fit. Cordless by design, with custom options to suit every window. Premium fabrics, precision finishes, and trusted quality from our UK factory. Made to measure, made in the UK, made for you. From bedrooms cocooned in calm, to kitchens filled with energy, to living rooms that shift with the setting sun. With smart settings you control to follow the light and warmth of the day. Even cozy cinema nights, all at the touch of a button or via the app. Turn everyday living into a smart home experience. Control one or every blind using your remote, your voice, or the app from anywhere. Set schedules and routines to suit your day, or create scenes for different moments so your home keeps its natural rhythm even when you're away. Open with the sun, close for privacy, for a comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home in every season. Effortless smart control every day. Fabrics in your hands, colors chosen for your home, free samples to create with confidence. From rollers and Romans to Venetians. A style for every window or door. Comfort, convenience, and lasting quality guaranteed. Electric blinds, effortless control every day.